Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
You can put a Canada midnight now.
We are supporting you guys tonight.
Don't put the light behind. Come
Ready? Hold on. Cheers. Cheers. Come over. Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! Hold on. You're late because you got together. Say hello.
Everybody here. So let me say, first of all, it's after 1 a.m. in the morning on February 24th, and it's my birthday. So happy birthday to me. I appreciate you guys so much for commenting and telling me happy birthday, and I hope you guys support me for the rest of the year. No, I was rushing earlier, so I did not have no time to vlog. I actually was on TikTok live for like 30 minutes just getting ready. So I kind of left my YouTube people, but it's okay. Tonight, which is my official birthday, I am gonna go to dinner. So I'm definitely gonna go live with you guys and really do a full vlog. Tonight was so fun. Just hang out with a few of my friends. Had cake and just relaxed. Had like a game of domino and all of that. So I really didn't vlog much. Also, I didn't bring a tripod for this phone. But yeah, that's okay. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm gonna show you guys the dress that I wore. I think you guys may have seen it in 1 or 2 clips. I did ask one of my friends to video for me, but most of the clips that they did tonight was not for YouTube content. But it's okay. It's okay. But I'm 36. I am 36, so definitely have to thank God for, letting me see a brand new year, and I hope to see many more and to celebrate it and, adding more success to my life. Like, it's only up from here. Anyways, I'm going to spin around the camera. I'm really tired. I'm just going to wash off this makeup and head to bed. It's after 1 in the morning on a Monday. So we all know how that goes. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's my official birthday. I'm getting ready. By the way, I'm working. I was going to take the day off, but I don't have anything to do in the day. So why would I take the day off if I'm not doing anything in the day? Like, if I don't work, I don't make money. So I'm definitely going to finish early because my birthday dinner is at 6 o'clock. Somebody's taking me to dinner. So dinner is at 6 p.m. So I'm finishing work at, I think 4 p.m. tomorrow. So I have like 2.5 hours to get ready. So yeah. But anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow when I'm getting ready for my official birthday dinner. This is the fit. You guys probably would not be able to see it good, but in the videos, you may have seen it good. Yeah, my background is not looking too great right now, but it's okay. But it's a very nice, cute dress. My other birthday dress, by the way, I need to take it in and have it yet. So I'm going to the tailor tomorrow. My driver's license expires today. I'm gonna go to the to the government office to sort that out too. So we're gonna be busy tomorrow in day. Plus, like I said, I have work. Anyways, we'll see you tomorrow. Actually, oh god, wait, I'll see you guys later when I'm getting ready to go. So you're gonna see me in more, more makeup, and yeah, we're gonna look. So tonight we're giving Club Kerry. Tomorrow night, later tonight, I'm gonna give Classy on Short Kerry. That's the vibe for the dress, and you guys will see because I'm so in love with the dress. Okay, bye guys, I'm tired. It's February 24th and it's my birthday, so happy birthday to me. Guys, last night was very fun. A few of my friends came out, we went to Janga's, had cake, relax, play a little round domino. It was a good time last night. I did not get to video much. One, I left my tripod. Two, this phone is just not doing its thing, so I'm gonna try to vlog though. It's my birthday, so I want to give you guys at least something to show you guys that I did. Now tonight officially is my birthday, so I'm going to dinner tonight. I think I told you that last night. I don't need to repeat myself, but I'm on my road. I need to sort out my driver's license. It expires today. I did went to the office yesterday, but it was crowded and I also did not have the correct receipt, so I left. So today I'm gonna sort out my license, and so police don't stop me on the road and give me a ticket. So after that, I'm gonna go to the tailor, and tonight you guys will see me. So the next time you all see me, it's me getting ready for my birthday dinner. I'm so excited. But I hope you guys are doing well, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so basically my face is literally finished. Like, I was on YouTube live talking to you guys. If you were on my live, thank you so much. So yeah, I was chatting on YouTube, so I didn't really show you guys what I was doing with my face, but it's just the regular regular makeup that I wear, the products, everything, nothing is new. So I am feeling a little bit tired, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. The girl is tired, but it's okay. It's okay. I did have a blast last night. Today, I'm only gonna be having dinner. So I'm super excited to just eat and dress up and look nice. My dress is so pretty. You guys are gonna love it. And yeah, we're just gonna have a chill night tonight. But tomorrow, Wednesday, we're gonna be outside. We're gonna be outside for the rest of the week. We're not sure about Friday, but we're gonna be outside for the rest of the week. But I'm feeling super excited. Like, I'm so blessed. I'm so happy to be able to see another birthday. I'm so glad I'll be able to live to see my 36th birthday, and wanting to see many more ahead. Like, really wanting to see my life. I really want to live the life that I want and what I deserve. So I'm working hard at it. I'm working hard at it, guys. I really am. Oh, I did not put on any mascara, so we're gonna work with mascara right now. Mascara, where is that? By the way, remember again, guys, the quality on my phone, it doesn't work. Please remember that. But yeah, I'm just happy that I still have a secondary phone. If I only had one phone, like I don't know how I would operate. I'm not gonna lie. I have no idea how I would operate, people. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I need a facial. I really need a facial. I can see the small bumps. My face does not look flawless with the makeup, and that's because it's not the makeup is the issue, it's my face. So I really need to do a facial. I need to steam my face. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff needs to be done to my face, guys. So many stuff, because I don't like how it's looking at the moment. I really don't like how it's looking. Do not like how it's looking, guys. I just want under my eyes to pop a bit, so I'm just adding more baking powder under baking powder. That's what it name? Loose powder, sorry, yeah, loose powder, baking powder, whatever, under my eyes so it can pop. I like when my under my eyes pop, look nice. But once I finish getting ready, show you guys my cute birthday Fashionnova dress, and then we're gonna head out for dinner. Alright guys, so let me show you my birthday dress first. I got it from Fashionnova. It is so cute. I'm not gonna lie. It's very tall too. You're gonna see it. And then I got birthday gifts. I love me some gifts, guys. Ooh, this one feels heavy. So I'm gonna show you guys the gifts right now. I'm so excited. Alright, so I decided to just open my birthday gift on camera because why not? I'm so excited. She just got me the birthday gift, guys. I think this looks like a perfume. What? What? God, I love me. What? I love me a watch. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is so cute. I'm wearing this tonight. If it can't fit me and it don't need adjustments. What? Oh my God, this is so cute! Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, and it fits my hand perfect. Oh my. Hold on, I can't put it on. Guys, this is so gorgeous. Alright, wait, I need to pull the other one because I'm super excited about the other one. Not me with a Movado. Sorry. Second one. I don't know what this is. I have no idea what this one is. Wow, this is taken good. And it says happy birthday. Oh my God, I can't spare this. Ah! I'm using like a pen to tear it because I'm so excited. What? What? Guys. No! You guys are coming. Oh my God.
Nobody told you this before, but you outshine the sun. The type that I've been looking for. I've seen you inside my dreams. So baby, come a little closer. Know that you are the only one. I wanna see your body move. Don't be afraid. And baby, keep the lights on. And baby, keep the lights on. Can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. This world can be an ugly place. Sometimes it brings out the worst in us, but when I see your pretty face, it all fades away. Yeah. Let me climb up your mountain, let me search through your valleys. I got my eyes wide open, baby, don't hide. And baby, keep the lights on, baby, keep the lights on. And can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. Baby, keep the lights on. Baby, keep the lights on. And can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. I wanna see your body move. Yeah. I wanna see your body move.
It's the day after my birthday, so it's a Wednesday, February 24th, 25th. So happy Wednesday to you guys. Like, the girl, oh, my shirt. I had such a great time for my birthday. I had a good time last night at dinner. Went to what, S Hotel? Is that what it's called? I don't remember. I put the name of the hotel, but oh, Spanish Court Hotel. We went to Spanish Court Hotel. The food, customer service, good. The food, good. But did you know the cheesecake that I got? Because I told him, hey, it's my birthday, and then he said, okay, these are the options for a cake, and they will write happy birthday on the plate. Did you know that they charged me for the birthday cake? The slice of cake? I thought it was going to be free. I can recall back in the days, Regency, once you tell them it's your birthday, they give you a complimentary cake. I don't know if they still do it, but it's $12 for the cake. $12 for a little slice of cheesecake. It is cheesecake though. But it was good, and their rate wasn't bad. I think their rate was $158. So the US rate to Jamaican was very affordable, but the food, 10 out of 10. You guys will see the pictures. I hope you guys are following me on Instagram. By the way, if you are new here, thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I hope you stick around. Subscribe if you haven't, like the video if you haven't. So I know I showed you guys my birthday gifts. I got a watch, and I got this new phone that I'm using. Now here's the trick. This phone, it's a 16 Pro Max, I think 512 gig. Guys, if you hear that noise, that was my toilet. I just flushed it, and that's the noise of the toilet. It's okay. Yeah, so this is a 16 Pro Max, but remember when I was opening the box, on the box it says 14 Pro Max. So I thought it was a 14, but it was a trick. The person tricked me and told me to let me think it's a 14, but this is a 16 Pro Max. So I'm loving it. It's an eSIM. It doesn't use SIM card, so I'm gonna have to go to Digicel right now. So that's what I'm gonna do. There's something in my eye. I'm gonna run to Digicel to have my phone connected so I can use the WhatsApp on this phone, get calls on the phone. Plus, Jamaica Food and Drink Festival is next week, so I need to purchase my tickets. So I'm gonna head to the Haverford area to sort that out too. But the birthday was good. I hope you guys are okay. I'm gonna see what I can video for today on the road. I need to get a case for the phone. I need to get a screen. But there's a privacy screen on it, a black privacy screen on it now, but I'm gonna remove it. To be honest, I don't even like privacy screen, the black one, because when you take the pictures, it just shows the beauty of the pictures when you have like a black privacy screen on it. So I just want a regular screen protector, and it needs to sort out a phone case, and we're gonna take care of this phone because what we went through this past year with not having a phone and struggling, it was a mess. But yeah, thank you for everybody who wished me happy birthday as well. I appreciate you. And yeah, let's rack up these videos on the views on my vlogs and comments, and you know, let's build a community over here. We're at 2,003 something subscribers, and yeah, we gotta converse more in the comments. But I'm gonna head out. Fits, we're in stitch, and we're in this tights, and we're gonna wear sandals. Outside is looking kind of not so sunny, like it wanna rain, but we're gonna put on sandals and I'll see you guys on the road.
I'm gonna show you what I know.
Yeah.
You only need a tablespoon to 3 cup.
Guys, I decided to stop at Burger King because I'm starving. I do have food in the fridge, but thinking about it, I'm gonna have to go home, heat it in the microwave, and it can take 5 minutes. I'm like, yeah, Burger King is it. I actually want a KFC. KFC had the fish sandwich, but I'm just gonna do Burger King. All right, guys, so I forgot to tell you the scent. I think I want to get into perfume a little bit more, but not for now, because I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 I have like 6 different perfumes that I wear just randomly. There's one specific one that I really love. Let me go for it. Yeah, so the one that I really love, guys, is this, the Valentino. This smells so good, and it's now reaching half bottle, and I really gotta, because I've been wearing it everywhere. Like, oh, it smells so good. I know I'm gonna have to get a bottle for myself, because when this finishes, when it reaches like a little bit down more, I'm gonna repurchase it. Well, I had got it as a gift, but I need to purchase one because that scent so good. Now this one I'm wearing tonight, the Versace Bright Crystal. This one the smell, I must say, it's not the greatest. It's not the greatest. It's cute, the bottle is cute, everything, but for this one specifically, yeah, it's not really for me. But it's still good nonetheless. I still wear it because why not? Okay, let me spray a little more. And it comes out quite heavy. Woof! It comes out quite heavy, guys. Watch there. But I like it. It's likable, but I don't love it, if you get what I'm saying. My next favorite one, like, first of all, I'm a vanilla girl. Okay? The girl is a vanilla girl. And I have the Immortal Vanilla Blue, and this is from Zara. This, I'm gonna purchase. This, I have to restock it because, trust me, love it. And I mix it with like a Bath and Body Vanilla 2 scent. Like this, guys, Zara, get it. This I'm gonna be repurchasing too. So I have 2 perfumes that I'm gonna repurchase, the Zara and this Valentino. And Miss Dior, you can't go wrong with Miss Dior. There's like a tiny bit of drop left, so that one I need to purchase. Like if I was traveling for my birthday, I would have definitely copped some perfumes in the airport. But we're gonna travel this year, so whenever we travel, we're gonna ensure that we put some money aside to purchase 2 perfumes, at least 2. All right, so I'm gonna finish getting ready. I think it's almost 9:30, guys, and I'm supposed to leave at 9:30. So, child, let's put in my earring. All right, I just need to comb my hair and it should be fine, guys. The shade here, nope. No, this is supposed to be a body wave and it's just not giving body wave, and it's giving natural type of feel. Anyways, I'm thinking to wear my panda sneakers. I'm telling you guys, you see the panda sneakers there? I got it, right? I have not worn it in months because each time I wear it out, somebody has it on. I'm like, so I just kind of, But I'm gonna wear it tonight. I haven't worn it in a while. And it's a soca event, so I'll wear it at soca. But anywhere else, like a regular Friday, Saturday night hangout, I'm not wearing that panda. Like everywhere you go, there's like the minimum 5 persons in the panda. I'm like, yeah. No, not really too popular for me. But it's cute. But oh. Alright, let me get up and show you guys what I'm wearing and we're gonna head out. Alright guys, so this is the look. Yes, my room is a mess. I am gonna clean tomorrow or on Friday. So yeah, this is a full look. Top, short, and the panda. If you don't know the panda, this is the panda. Yeah, but everybody and every family member owns. Anyways, I am gonna head out. Yeah, I'm gonna end my birthday vlog right here. I guess I'll talk to you guys when I'm home or when I'm at the party. But I really appreciate you guys, and again, thanks for all the birthday wishes and all of that. So I'm gonna head out. And by the way, Carnival is coming up, you know. If you guys don't know, Carnival is near in April. I am yet to do a video for Carnival, but I am gonna try to do it this weekend. Don't have much to do this weekend. I really need to start studying though. Studying needs to be starting next week. Studying is going to be on my top priority list. Exam is coming up within the next 3 to 4 months, I think. So I have to get into it. So February is done. So that means it's time to get cracking with studying and stuff. But yeah, this is a fit. And I'll talk to you guys in another video, in another time, on another day.